Good morning everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. আমি আজি আপোনালোকৰ আগলৈ এটা নতুন লেসন লৈ আহিছো। আমি আজি আলোচনা কৰিম ক্লাস 10 লেসন 7 কোঅৰ্ডিনেট জ্যামিতি বিষয়ত। আমি এই অধ্যায়টোৰ প্ৰথম খণ্ড অৰ্থাৎ ডিসটেন্স ফৰ্মুলা আৰু এক্সাৰসাইজ 7.1 ৰ কমপ্লিট সলিউশন সম্পৰ্কে এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আপোনালোকৰ আগত অৱগত কৰিম। আমি এই লেসনটোৰ পৰৱৰ্তী খণ্ডখিনি নিয়মীয়াকৈ পাছৰ ভিডিঅ'সমূহত দিবলৈ যত্ন কৰিম। আশা কৰো আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'সমূহ নিয়মীয়াকৈ চাব আৰু আমাৰ চেনেলটো লাইক, কমেন্ট আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। লগতে মৰমৰ ভাইটি ভণ্টি সকললৈ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিলে আমাৰ শ্ৰম সাৰ্থক হ'ব বুলি আশা ৰাখিছো। আহক আমি অলপো দেৰি নকৰি ভিডিঅ'টোৰ ফালে আগবাঢ়ো। So before going to exercise, we first have to know about the distance formula. So let us first know about the distance formula, because all questions are being to solved by the distance formula. Distance formula is denoted by if p x1 y1 and q x2 y2 be 2 points So suppose this is P point, this is Q point, and the coordinate of P is x1 y1 and the coordinate of Q is x2 y2. You are asked to find the distance between the point P and Q. That means you have to find PQ. Then what will be the PQ? PQ will be root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula you have to use, which will be used for finding distance between two given points. So what you can remember for the difference between the coordinates of x and difference between the coordinates of y. That will be easier to remember it. So let us take an example how to use this formula and find distance between two given points. Let a 2 3 and b 4 5 b 2 points are given. You have to find the distance between the 2 points AB. So how to solve? The first point will be x1 y1 and second point will be x2 y2. So you can write that let x1 equal 2, y1 equal 3, x2 equal 4, y2 equal 5. That means x1 x2 are the coordinates of x, y1 and y2 are the coordinates of y, and x1 is and the terms with 1 are for first point and with 2 that are for y coordinates. So let's we are getting out the values of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2, so we can use the formula, this formula now we can use. So we have to find the distance between AB. So AB equal what? First write down the formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So what we can get? x2 is what? 4 minus here, and x1 is 2 and plus here y2 is 5 and minus here y1 is 3 whole square. So what we get? 4 minus 2 is 2 square here plus here 5 minus 3 also 2, so root over, so 2 square is 4 and 2 square is 4, again here root over, so what we get? Root over 8. Root over 8 will be what? So you do one thing, prime factorize 2 4 2 2, so 2 root 2, that will be 2 root 2. That will be our answer. So let us move forward to your exercise 7.1. I think you have known how to do this. I think you have known. So let us move forward to exercise. Let's move. Question nong 1, 2, answer. What are the points here? Minus 5, 7, minus 5, 7 and minus 1 C. So let this is A and this is B. So x1 equal minus 5, y1 equal 7, x2 equal minus 1, y2 equal 3. So we have to find the distance between the points. So AB equal what? First write down the distance formula. X2 minus x1 plus whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 will be what? Minus 1, minus here, minus 5 whole square, and plus y2 is what? 3 minus 7 whole square. So that will be root over. So now what getting? Minus 1 minus minus plus 5 and whole square is here, plus 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square is here. So what getting? Minus 1 plus 5, that means 4 square, and that will be minus 4 square. So what getting? 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is 16. So this will be 32, and again prime factor is 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. These two come, 2 to the 4, root 2. So 4 root 2 will be our answer. I think question number 3 can be done by you. And let's move forward to question number 2. Question number 2 is given that we have to find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between 2 points, 2 towns A and B discussed in section 7.2? See, this need not to be do. You do one thing. You can find the distance between the 2 points from question number 2. The 2 points are here 0, 0 and 36, 15. You take this as P, take this as Q, and you find the values x1, x2, y1 and y2, and then put that in the formula. PQ equal x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can try it yourself. Okay, let's move forward to question number 3. So let us know first about what are. So let us first know about what are collinear points. Collinear means on the same line. Points lies on the same line are called collinear points. Example, see, this is a line P, Q, R are 3 points on the same line. So S, P, Q, R, B, 3 points on the same line. L, so PQ are called collinear points. So I think we have already get an idea about the definition of collinear points. So collinear points mean points on the same line. Whenever the points are lying on the same line, then they are said to be collinear points. So in a given question, we have to show that whether the points are collinear or not. So we have to write down the condition. So we will use the particular condition to show this. So let us write down the condition what we will have to find out to show that the given points are collinear or not. So the condition will be, right, condition for collinear points. 3 points A, B, and C are collinear if AB plus BC equal AC. That means we have to find the distance between the points AB, BC and AC. First we will find the distances. Okay. First we find the distances. Here 3 points will be given. We will find the distances AB, BC and AC. And then if we get the sum of any two distances will be equal to the third distance, then the points will be collinear. So we will use this theory in order to prove that the given points in the question number 3 will be collinear. So let us move forward to question number 3. You always remember this condition. What condition? The sum of the distances of two will be equal to the distance, the third distance. Okay. Let us proceed to question number 3 solution. So go. So question number 3 ends. First take the points be A15, B23 and C -2, -11. So now first we have to find the distances AB, BC and AC. So first find AB. AB will be what? First write down the distance formula. x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. So we are going to put the values right here. x1 will be what? 1. x2 will be 2. y1 will be 5 and y2 will be 3. So now put the values. 1 minus 2 x1 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 square plus y1 minus y2. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 2 whole square. So it will be minus 1 square. This will be 2 square. So 1 plus 4. That will be root 5. Similarly, we find BC. So now again find BC. Write down the formula. BC 20. We take 20. x2 minus x3. 3 points are there now. y2 minus y3. The order must be same. If you take x3 minus x2, so it will be y3 minus y2. Now again write down the values. x2 y2, x3 y3. x2 will be what? 2. x2 will be 2. y2 will be 3. x3 y3 will be minus 2 and minus 11. Minus 2, minus 11. So let's proceed. Now put the values here. x2 minus x3. 2 minus minus 2. 2 minus minus 2. Square plus y2. 3 minus minus 11. 3 minus minus 11. So this is whole square. So what do you get? 2 plus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 11 square, because minus minus plus minus minus plus, so plus 2 plus 11. So what are you getting? 4 square plus 14 square. Now do the sum. What you will be getting? 4 square plus 14 square. 4 square is 16. 14 square is 196. So what are you getting? Implies BC equal 4 square 16 and 14 was 196. So what we get? 196 plus 16. So 2 1 carry 19 11 1 carry 2 1 2. So this will be 2 1 2. Root over 2 1 2. So see, you can write the root overs. You can find the square roots. 2 1 2 2 1 0 6. 2 5 times and 3 times. 53 is prime number, I think. So it will be done. 2 root 53. 2 root 53. 2 root 53. Again, what to find? AC. 1 and 3 terms. Write down the formula. 1 and 3. So again write down the values. xt, y1, yt. So x1 is what? x1 and y1. x1, y1 will be what? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5. And yt and xt will be what? Minus 2, minus 11. So minus 2, minus 11. So let us put the values accordingly. Put the values. x1 minus xt. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 whole square. And 1 minus yt. 5 minus minus 11. 5 minus minus 11 means it will be minus 11 whole square. What are we getting? Minus 4 square. 5 plus 11 will be there. Minus minus plus. So root over is here. So 16 and 16 square. 16 plus 16 square is 256. So what are we getting? 256 and 16. 2 1 carry 5167 272 root over 272. So let us put on the root overs. 272 to 136 to 6 12 188 to 34 to 17. So 2 2 2 to the 4 root 17. 4 root 17. Now what are you getting? AC is 4 root 17 and BC is 2 root 53 and we getting AB is what? We getting AB is root over 5. There is no any condition for getting AB plus BC equal AC because so what you can write? Since you can write root 5 plus 2 root 53 cannot be 4 root 17. Since root 5 root 5 plus 2 root 53 plus not equal 4 root 17. So AB plus BC not equal AC. So this condition is not satisfied. So the points will be not collinear. So write down that so the points are not collinear. That's all. So question now for answer. First take the points. Let A 5 minus 2 will be x1 y1, B 6 4 equal x2 y2 and C 7 2 equal xt yt. So we first write down the distances. If the distances of any two sides will be equal, then that will be an isosceles triangle. So suppose this will be the triangle. Suppose this is point is A, this is B and this is C. A is 5 minus 2, B is 6 4 and C is 7 2. So C is 7 minus 2. So you will find any two of two distances AB, BC or AC. Any of these three distances, any two of these distances are the same, then this will be an isosceles triangle. We have to just prove this, that two distances are equal. So let us find the three distances AB, BC and AC. That will be the sides of the. So first find AB. AB equal x1 and x2, y1 and y2 times here x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 is 6, x1 is 5. So it will be 6 minus 5 square. y2 is 4 and minus here y1 is minus 2. So this will be 4 minus minus 2 whole square. So what getting? 6 minus 5 equal to 1 and 4 minus minus 2 is 4 plus 2 minus minus plus 2 square. So 1 plus 6 square. So 1 plus 36 root over 37. Again we find BC. So let us find BC. BC equal what? BC B64 and C7 minus 2 20 times. So let us write down the formula for 20. xt minus xt square yt minus yt square. Now put the corresponding values. xt is 7, x2 is 6, 7 minus 6 whole square plus yt is minus 2 and yt is yt is minus 2 and y2 is 4. So minus is here and 4. So what getting? 7 minus 6 1 square plus minus 6 square. So 1 plus 36. So this will be root over 37. So we getting the two sides of the triangle. One is AB. AB is root over 37 we getting, and the another side BC is what getting we? Root over 37 getting. So the two sides AB and BC of the two triangles are same. So this will be an isosceles triangle because triangles having two sides equal are said to be an isosceles triangle. So what you can write? Therefore AB equal BC. You can write is root 37 in length. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. That will be the answer, full answer. আপোনালোকে যদি এই ভিডিওটো ভাল পাইছে তেনেহলে এই ভিডিওটো এটা লাইক কৰি দিব, আমাৰ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিব আৰু লগতে এই ভিডিওটো মৰমৰ দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী সকললৈ শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিব। যিসকল ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰী এই ভিডিওটো বৰ্তমান চাই আছে তেওঁলোকে তেওঁলোকৰ নিজৰ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱী সকলৰ লগত এই ভিডিওটো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি নিজৰ লগতে তেওঁলোকৰ বন্ধু-বান্ধৱীকো অলপ হ'লেও সহায় কৰিব বুলি আশা ৰাখিলোঁ। লগতে নতুন ভিডিওসমূহৰ নটিফিকেশ্যন লাভ কৰিবৰ বাবে এই বেল আইকনটো দবাই দিব। ধন্যবাদ।